I feel like a cartel, bloom for the St. Joseph, oh wow. If you pull up on me, oh wow, that's a fair.
So currently we are at 5.1k US dollars, and it is exactly 7 p.m. right now. And basically how much I spent on ads, I have spent 3,869 Canadian dollars, which is 2,834 Canadian. So if we divide that, our revenue by our ad spend, we are at a 1.82 ROAS, and that's healthy. How's it going, everybody? It's Living Bazaar, and what this video is going to be about is me basically showing you guys where I'm at and what you can expect moving forward on this channel. Basically, I am at 100k revenue months, and you're going to be able to see me go from 100k to $1 million months, and using the same exact strategies that I'll be showing you guys on this channel. So I'm not going to be giving any bullshit. I'm not going to be selling any courses, mentorships, or any of that stuff. Anything you guys need, any questions you guys have, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to get back to it. And yeah, so I'll be showing you guys everything, whether that's how I'm managing my suppliers, how I'm managing my team, how I'm testing ads, scaling ads, picking products, all of that good stuff, you know. So I'm excited and looking forward to what kind of videos I'm going to be making and what's going to help you guys. So in the meantime, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and get ready for the rise of Living Bazaar.